Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared two multiple choice questions for you. And the first question is, why should you be extra careful when using Ethidium bromide? And here is the variants to choose from. A. It is potent neurotoxin, it melts plastic, it denatures proteins, and D. It intercalates into DNA and therefore may cause DNA damage. In this picture you can see how Ethidium bromide intercalates into the DNA. So this is DNA plus Ethidium bromide, and as you see, it integrates itself between base pairs. And later, when we run a gel, we can visualize DNA, because when we excite Ethidium bromide with ultraviolet, we would be able to see it. So as you see, this dye and many other dyes which we use for running gel to visualize DNA also can be not just useful for these biotechnological procedures, but also maybe hazardous for your health, because after integration the function of the gene can be disrupted, and this may cause different mutations. So this is mutagen. And this is why you have to be extra careful with this dye. As you see, the correct answer is answer D. And next question, you're about to saw a vial of cells. Which hazards are associated with retrieving the cells from liquid nitrogen? Select all answers that apply. That means there can be more than one correct answer among these four. Variant A, asphyxiation hazard from liquid nitrogen. Yes, nitrogen is heavier than oxygen, therefore the oxygen in the room will be forced upward. If you have a spill or leak, there will be a risk of asphyxiation. You should never travel in a lift or work in an enclosed space with liquid nitrogen. In many research institutes, you also must wear oxygen monitor when working with liquid nitrogen. So variant A is the correct answer. Let's check the rest. Variant B, fire hazard from liquid nitrogen and open flame. Nitrogen doesn't support fire, so this is wrong answer. But now let's check next variant C, burn hazard from liquid nitrogen. And we can check mark this variant as correct, because extreme cold can cause burns just as easy as extreme heat. While working with liquid nitrogen, you have to wear protective clothing, mask and gloves to protect against splashes. And the last variant, electrical hazard from liquid nitrogen and electrical sockets. So basically we have to give an answer: can liquid nitrogen conduct electricity or not? On one hand, nitrogen is considered to be electrical insulator or dielectric in its solid, liquid or gaseous form. However, on the other hand, nitrogen, if heated to higher temperature, would ionize and would become a fourth state of matter, which we call plasma, and all plasmas are conductive. But under described circumstances, conditions, it's going to be insulator. So this is going to be a wrong choice. So we have here two correct answers, variant A and variant C. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.